Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, you're definitely welcome. Please kindly give us a follow, subscribe and join the family. My regular subscribers, thank you guys so much. So in this video we'll be making this beautiful gown. So let's get started into the main video. So guys, first thing that we're going to get is our starting line, which is half an inch. So I'm going to mark half an inch all the way here and I'm going to connect it in a straight line. So next thing I'm going to get is my neck line. So I'm doing 3 by 3 inches. I'll connect the point like this. So next is to get my shoulder divided by 2. I'm marking it here and I'll come down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope and I'll connect it like to the neckline like this. So next is to get my chest line. I'm going to draw it straight. So here I'll take my bust measurement divided by 4. So I'm going to curve this. So here I went in by half an inch here. I'm going to get it my bust point, my waist line, my hip line, and the full length of my gown. Get all those points in a straight line. My hip, my waist, and my bust point. So next is to get my nipple to nipple measurement. So mine is 3.5. I'm going to connect it all the way to the full length. And I'll connect it like this. Okay, this line I'm going to go in by 0.75 and same thing to the other side. Here I'm going to come up by 2 inches from the full length. I'm going to connect it like this. And I'll connect it like this too. The next thing I'm going to do is to connect this to the bust point. So I'm going to connect this like this to the bust point. So next is to start taking out my body measurements. So my bust divided by 4, then my waistline divided by 4, plus that's measurement. Then my hip divided by 4. Then I'll measure what I have here. And I'll add it. And I'll connect all these points. So the next thing is to get my bust dart, which is 1.5 inches. To get your bust dart different between your half length of your back and half length of your top. So I'll connect it like this. So once I'm done with that, I'll now cut it out like this. So you guys follow the place I'm cutting out, please. I'll level this center front and level this on side front. So this is it for the front panel, the final look. So I'm just going to cut out the back now. So guys, I'm going ahead to insert my neckline, my shoulder, my chest line, and my zipper, my 1 inch zipper allowance. So next is to get my bust points, my waistline, my hip line, and the full length. I'm going to connect all these points like this: my hip line, my waistline, and my bust line. So next is to get my maple measurement for my dart all the way to the full length, and I'll connect it in a straight line like this. So from the waistline, same thing, I'll be doing half an inch. I'll be doing half an inch on the other side. And on the down part, I'll be coming up by 2 inches. I'm gonna connect it like this. Just the same thing we did at the front. Everything we did at the front, just that the depth of the front here is 0.75, but here is half an inch. So just going to connect it to the plus point. Connect it at the plus point. And then connect it like this. Sorry. Um, please don't mind this line. It's actually a mistake. So next is to start taking my body measurements. My waist measurement divided by 4 plus 2 inches for the dart. So my hip measurement divided by 4 plus this measurement for that. We'll bring it all the way down to the full length. So that is basically all for the back. So next thing I'm going to get is I'll be going in by half an inch for my shoulders, for my zip slant, because I don't want to have any budge at the zip area. So you see that is all for the front part. The style is actually very easy to make. So I'm just going to cut this out now. So guys, remember why cutting it on your fabric, remember to add that half inches for the shoulder, for the zip slant that we did. Add your half inch here, please. So this is it for the back. So I will label this center, back, side, back, and also remember to be folding by 2. So this is it for the back, this is it for the back, and this is it for the front. So this is our front panel. So this is it for our front, and this is our back. So that's basically all for this time. So I'm just going to trace it out on my fabric and then start cutting. So guys, if you haven't subscribed up to this very place, please kindly subscribe, give me a follow. Don't forget to like and comment. If you have any question, just drop your question in the comment section and I'll answer you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh yeah, bye.